Hello guys, and welcome back again to another WordPress tutorial. In this video I will be showing you how you can actually remove the hyperlinks from your websites or posts. So in these videos I will show you a lot of information about how to remove them from your articles, from your pages, from your posts, and much more. Even your media, guys, you can add them and remove them from your media. So I will show you all of that in this video, but first let's go ahead and open our dashboard. I've made already a video about this dashboard. If you didn't watch it or you did miss it, so make sure to watch it right after this video. But now stick around until the end and focus step by step so you won't miss anything and it will be all good for you. So now after you open the dashboard, it will be looking something like that. Here you can click on user or put your username, and here you could put the password. So after you log in, here is the posts, and here, for example, let's go ahead and click on add new. So here I have already a post, so let's paste it. So for example, okay, let's copy this and let's paste it in here. We add FIFA here. Okay, so we click on publish. Now as you can see, there is already an article which is a hyperlink in here. I want to remove it by clicking on the word, and let's remove it. Now how you can add it, for example, let's add it to this football. And let's make it, for example, take us to our website, which will be something like www.youtube.com. We click on enter, and here it is. For example, you want to add a media. Let's add a media, and let's add a hyperlink to it, which will be looking something like that: www.fifaworldcup.com, and let's publish. And now after we open this page, if we clicked on this football, it will take us to YouTube, as you can see here. If we clicked on this image, it will take us to FIFA World Cup, just like so. So yeah guys, that's how you can actually add or remove the hyperlinks from your website. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.